Every bird can fly forward. But there is only one bird in the entire world that can fly backwards. It's the hummingbird. Their wings beat up to 80 times per second, so fast that they can hover like a helicopter, fly upside down, and go backwards at full speed. No other bird on Earth can do this. They can fly forwards, backwards, sideways, and even upside down their wings, move in a figure-8 pattern. They need to eat every 10 to 15 minutes to keep this energy. So the tiny hummingbird is the only bird that can truly fly backwards. Nature's little helicopter. Mind blown? Like plus, subscribe to Factopia for more crazy animal facts.